Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been ages since I last posted a video, but my Michaels collection is releasing really soon and I'm so excited to share with you guys all the new details about this new release. It feels absolutely unreal to be sitting here in front of these products because it's taken me so much time and effort and the support of some really amazing people to get to this point. So it honestly feels like a dream come true and I cannot wait to share it all with you. So I'm going to start with a few of the items that will be released in the Michaels stores. You should be able to pick everything up in the stores, but if you are international, don't worry. I did manage to pick up a few items so you can purchase them from my online shop as well. I'm going to start with these two sticker books. The reason that I got into Michaels is actually because of Go Wild, which is a huge planning conference where they gave us the opportunity to present some ideas in front of the Michaels and Craftsmith team. So I presented sticker books and these are kind of like the star of the show. Basically, they are silicone coated. Look how cute the inside cover is. The papers are all silicone coated so that you can stick stickers on and peel them off, so they're completely repositionable, and you can just use this to kind of store your sticker collection. If you want to travel with stickers, you know, this is an easy way to do it instead of carrying a bunch of separate sheets. So I've actually stuck some of my own, you know, just like some seal stickers in here. You can even stick washi tape, and it's a really nice way to carry washi tape around as well if you don't want to carry full rolls. So those are sticker books. They come in a pack of 2. So it comes packaged like this. It's really nice. There are 30 sheets per book, and I feel like this is such an amazing deal. And then next we have 3 different sets of washi tapes. They call them crafting tapes, but I think of them as washi tapes. This one is a birthday party theme. You can use it for birthdays, or I guess like different parties. I guess even New Year's technically kind of work. And this is a foil set, which is absolutely gorgeous. It's gold foil. I'll show you guys what it looks like rolled out. And these ones are die cut washi tapes. So they're more like stickers on a roll, but I guess it's washi. And let's see, I stuck them here. So the birthday one rolled out is like this. It's got gold foiling. So you can see that. Hooray, celebrate, party, some words, some cute balloons, and then these ones are celebrating munchkins and a really nice skinny washi. And then the die cut ones, there are so many variations in here. I actually haven't peeled out every single one, but this is what they look like. You get a large roll and then a smaller roll, which is kind of focused on like sushi and stuff like that. And then the foil roll is clear washi. You can use these as overlays for like bottom washi and weekly kits. These ones are perfect for checklists. Like if you want to turn them this way, you can cut them into however many that you want. And then these ones are so cute. The star banners are my favorite. And then we've just got some little dots that you can use as dividers. So those ones are the foil washi. They do come kind of like this. Let me see, I'll show you. So they come like this. At first you might think they're not sticky, but there's actually a bottom strip that you have to take off to use them. So that's pretty cool. I guess it's like easy to carry around. That way I can just kind of cut off a strip and store it with me in my planner. And then next I have these metal, they're not, I guess they are metal. They look like metal. They're metal stickers. They're just like a nice way to decorate your planners or whatever you want, like notebooks, things like that. I think I might stick one on my computer, but I'm not sure. So this is what they look like from the back. It actually does feel like they are kind of metal, so just be careful. Kind of sharp, but super duper cute. And then next we have a pack of sticky notes. It's a really cute sticky note portfolio. It says we should stick together. And then when you open it, this is all the sticky notes inside here. There's a whole bunch of different ones. There's like a little checklist one, a to-do list. This is just like a notepad, and a coffee one. And then next I've got a pack of 2 notebooks. So there are actually 2 books. Let's see, I've opened them here. They come packaged together, but when they're open, they look like this. And they have a really nice matte finish on these. This one says Plan My Life. That one says Need Coffee. This one is a dot grid one. And then this one is a line one. So you basically get 2 different types of notebooks. If you like to use them for lists or bullet journaling, that would be perfect. And then I also have a pack of, these ones are Adhesive Pockets. So if you kind of like want to stick these in notebooks to create extra pockets that you can slide things in, they would be perfect for that. So when you open them, there are 4 different designs. Sending My Love, this one, and Hello Sunshine, and this Nom 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 one. So basically they have double-sided tape in the back that you can peel off, and then you can stick these into notebooks and then just kind of like slot things that you want in them. These 2 larger ones even have like a card slot, so you would be able to kind of like put a business card or whatever else that you like to put in these. And then next is the stamp set. So I don't use stamps too often, but I looked at the quality of these and they are amazing. Basically, they come like this, and you have to peel off the backing, and you have to use like an acrylic block set, which is something like this. So you stick this onto this, and then you use the whole block to stamp whatever you want. But super cute designs. I think these would be really cute for making cards. And let's see, I'll do the pens next. So we also made a set of 3 pens. They come packaged like this, really cute. But when you open them up, they look like this. And these pens are actually kind of like felt tip pens. So let me do a sample for you. Let's see. Hello. Not sure if you can see that, but it's like an ink pen. It's not gel, it's not ballpoint, it is more like a felt tip. Let's see, can you kind of see that? Hopefully that focuses a little bit. Nope. Anyway, they write really nice. I feel like these are the ones that I really like to use in my Hobonichi, kind of like the micron feeling pens, but I don't think they are permanent. And then since I have this in my hand, I do want to show you, this comes packaged like this. It's just like a list pad, but it comes with a magnet, so if you have a fridge or anything, it's a really good way to write like maybe your grocery shopping list or something on there. I think that's what I'm going to be using it for. I'm just going to plop this onto my fridge. Next are some charms. So comes with 2 sets of charms. You can use these to hang on your keychains or your planners, and they are so cute. I love the light pink in these ones. All right, finally I've got, here is a pencil case. It's actually a pencil pouch. You can store your pens in there. Let's see, the Munchkin pens would fit perfectly. And it also comes with this little slot if you want to put like a ruler or something, and the back has an elastic, so if you have a planner or a book, I think you can actually just kind of like slot this over it, and then that way you can carry all your items together. So super functional. I love the design. It's just so cute. It makes me feel so happy when I'm looking at it. And then, okay, I think that's it. So I'm on to the sticker books. The sticker books I am so excited about. This one is called Reach for the Stars, and this one has a lot of foil and a lot of clear stickers. So these ones, if you peel them up, they're actually like tab stickers. You can double side them so that you can use them as like edge tabs. This is what the other pages look like. So cute. I love the gold foiling here. The words are super adorable and everything looks so nice and gold. Probably my favorite type of foil. I thought these ones were really cute too. I'm not really sure what I will do with them yet, but the pastel colors are amazing. And then at the end is just some like really cute words that you can use in your planner. If you do scrapbooking, I feel like this would be awesome. And the cutest part is it actually has this like gold strap that goes over it. Next I've got, let's start with the weekly sticker kit. So we have 2 different sticker kits that you can use in your planners. So they have recollection planners. They also fit in Erin Condren planners or the happy planners. They are 1.5 inch width, so super versatile. We have a foodie kit and also a coffee kit. So with the coffee one, this is kind of what you get. You get lots of full box stickers, a bunch of checklists. These ones are so pretty. You can use them to like highlight important things. And then you've got labels. You even have bottom washi that you can use on the bottom. I'm definitely going to be doing a planning with me video for this, so just in case you wanted to see how I use it, just stay tuned. Hopefully I'll post that video really soon. And then some habit checklists. You even have some trackers, coffee trackers. This is super cute. This bottom washi with the scallops. I love that so much. Some really nice icons that I feel like we could all use. And then some weekend banners. Everything is just really adorable. I don't even drink coffee myself, but I feel like this is like a really easily to use kit. Okay, I think that is the last page. And then next we have the Foodie Sticker Kit. This one is all food related, lots of taco about a week. I think that one is super cute. And then we have the meal prep ones. This bottom washi is very cute with all the food doodles, some more icons in here. And then let's get cooking, some more full boxes, some, I guess these are called flags, some labels, and then a few more checklist boxes. No, I guess they'd just be like note boxes. Some checklists with gold foiling and a menu. You could use these for meal planning. I think that would be absolutely perfect. And then just some final doodles at the end that you can use to decorate your planners with. And then we have, these ones are not weekly kits, but they are sticker books that you can mix and match with a whole bunch of other things. So this one is the holiday one, I believe. It's got a whole bunch of different holidays. So we've got like, I guess you could use that for like New Year's, whatever celebration you want, some birthday, there's Christmas, Halloween, fall, summer, winter, and spring, and like Easter. Everything is just so nice and gold. These are a few extra doodles, so lots of exciting things that you can use to mark all the events of the year. Some full boxes if you want some decorations for your weekly kits. And then these ones are weekly trackers, some labels, some more doodles. I love the barbecue ones and like the s'mores because I go camping. And then a whole bunch more labels, some savings gold, some icons. And these ones are so cute. These are like mini labels that you can use just throughout the year whenever you want. But all right, and then the last page is, I think this is all fall and winter. So ooh, that's cool. I guess they split it up. I actually didn't notice that, but yeah, so there's spring, summer, and then fall and winter stickers. But this is probably my favorite one out of all the sticker collections, just because I love holidays and there's so many holidays in here that you could use. And then next is a chore, I guess it's like a chore book. Not the most fun, but hopefully Munchkins can help make it a little more fun. So time to get stuff done. You've got trash, laundry, cleaning, washing dishes, dusting, things like that. This is all like a whole bunch of things that you can keep track of. Your grocery list as well, which is really convenient. Some little chore icons. I think these ones are super functional and useful. Probably what I'm going to use the most. Another chore list. And then some trackers. Took out the trash. Oh, look at these check marks. I don't even like hollow, but I think those are cute. And then a cleaning schedule. So if you have a calendar at home, these ones will work really well just to stick on the calendar. But yeah, that's the chore book. And then last but not least is, I think this is savings. So everything to do with like bills and money and saving, you've got that in this book. So you've got payday, you've got bill due, money due, important, do this now. Kind of like all the adulty stuff is in here. So easy functional things to use anywhere in your planner. You can mix and match all of these kits, so very easy to use. And then some labels, some more money. This Munchkin clearly loves money. And then some more money Munchkins, some checklists, more boxes. And the last one is weekly goal, just some motivational stickers. So we've got 5 sticker books. I love everything in these sticker books, and then a whole range of other different types of products that you can find in the shop. There is one item, we do have like puffy stickers. I don't have them with me right now, but you will be able to find puffy stickers if you go to your nearest Michael's. Hopefully they have all this stuff in stock. I am in Canada, so unfortunately I can't really check for you. I feel like Canada stuff just comes a little bit slower, but I'm really excited and I hope you are too. And I cannot believe that this is actually happening. So I just want to thank everyone who's actually helped me with all this, like all the support of my customers and Craftsmith, who has been so amazing to work with, as well as Michael's for just even giving like small business and artists like us this amazing opportunity to kind of showcase our artwork in larger stores and like dip our feet into things like this. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If there's any other information for Michaels, I will post it down below. But thank you so much, and please let me know if you find some of my stuff at Michaels. Bye-bye!